Wasim Ahmed, an accused in the Delhi blast, was taken into custody by the National Investigative Agency, and contrary to reports that he was apprehended at the India-Bangladesh border, Wasim's family now claims that he came out of his own volition to New Delhi along with them in order to cooperate with the investigative agency. They claim it's a conspiracy by a jailed terrorist, that there's confusion on which version to believe, and there are no strong leads into the Delhi High Court blast case yet. Wasim Ahmed, a medical student from Kashmir, arrested on Friday in connection with the Delhi High Court blast. But a day later, Wasim's family is crying foul, claiming that he was innocent.
संडे को एनआईए का कॉल आया था। उसके बाद उन्होंने पापा के साथ बात करी, जो कि पापा किश्तवाड़ में जॉब करते हैं। तो वो पापा के पास गए थे। फिर पापा से उन्होंने नंबर लिया भैया का, और फिर भैया से कॉल करी। उन्होंने ये बोला कि हम खुद आपको लेने आएंगे। भैया ने ये बात बोली कि अगर मैं चोर होता तो फिर आप मुझे लेने आते। जब मैंने कुछ करा नहीं है, मैं खुद आपके पास चल के आऊँगा।
The National Investigation Agency claims that Wasim's name was revealed during the interrogation of two others accused in the case. But the family claims that Wasim was being framed.
हमने उनको पकड़ाया था क्योंकि जुनैद उसकी वजह से किडनैप हुआ था, तो वो अपनी जिद निकालने के लिए उसने भैया का नाम दिया हुआ है। अब उसको ये है कि अगर मेरी फैमिली तबाह हो रही है तो तुम्हारी फैमिली भी तबाह हो जाए।
Multiple versions over Wasim's arrest, but with no solid leads into the case, only his interrogation can perhaps reveal more. Bureau Report, Times Now.